Hey, my beautiful people, I'm super excited to share with you this recipe. This is a Turkish cuisine, and I want to share with you because I know a lot of you have been seeing me making them. And today I'm sharing with you this recipe because I'm using a tool that is so easy and also that gonna help me so much to navigate through. So first, what I normally do, these are fresh crepe leaves, so I normally take some vinegar, white vinegar, and then add into the water and then let them sit there, like I soak for almost 10 minutes before actually cleaning them out. So once I soak, I'll let them to sit, and then later I'm gonna clean everything. Okay, now meanwhile I have to make a side dish. This is optional because you cannot just eat the dish that we want to make alone. So today I'm going for something simple. I'm chopping some eggplants. These are actually eggplants, big eggplants. So what I normally do is actually to start by frying them to golden brown, and this will help me in terms of actually it's gonna have that goose taste. Now on a pan, what I'm gonna do is actually to add some olive oil, and then I'm gonna take my chopped onions. You can add in chilies if you have the red ones and the green ones. I'm not adding in because of my kids, they don't like it, so I'll keep it as simple as possible. It is just only chilies, no, not chilies, onions, and also some fresh tomatoes and salt. After 10 minutes, our food is ready. This is side dish is ready. Now back to the dolma or salma that we want to make. My leaves are ready, and I'm gonna wash them, and I would normally wash maybe twice or three eyes, okay, with clean water to remove all the dirt. Remember, these are actually hand picked, so you don't need to worry because I did them personally with my mother-in-law. She's so amazing. Okay, and these are directly from our farm in the village. Okay, so what I'm going to do is actually to let them actually sit there for 1 minute just to remove extra water, and then once I'm done, I'm going to dip them into hot boiling water. Okay, this is hot boiling water, and normally you can add in some salt to actually just kill all the germs and to give it flavor, or maybe tasty salt, not too much salty, but just to kill everything. The purpose of the salt is actually to preserve and also to kill if we have any germs left over. But I know they are not because I did them personally, like handpicked. Now, once you're done, you don't want to do this process too much of your time. Like maybe just when you see that the leaves have turned the color, just remove them. You don't need to cook because we are not cooking, we're gonna be cooking later. And sometimes what I normally do is to cool them down if I want to do it quickly, okay, with cold water. Now on a different pan, you're gonna now take some olive oil like I'm doing right now. You can use any oil you have. I'm using olive because that's what I have. Then add in your onions, and we are going to be using bulgur. This is actually cracked wheat. I love it. It is more nutritious than even the normal white rice. Okay, so I'm adding a little bit of white rice just to give it color and also to make it more tasty. But you can use either white or brown or this one. Okay, the best results gonna actually come out with this bulgur pilau. So on a frying pan, you're gonna add your onions, let them turn golden brown, add in garlic and any spices that you want depending on the family that you have. For me, I have little kids who doesn't like spicy stuff, and I'm keeping it very simple. Even the meat, they don't like it, but I'll try to put some minced meat in it because it's gonna be so flavorful. But you can add as much as you can, okay? And I'm adding in some cumins, and I'm adding in some, remember, some salt, and also some red chili, okay, powder. You can use any spices that you like. I'm also adding in some little bit of red, not red, I'm adding in actually some mint and some fresh grated not potatoes, tomatoes. I'm forgetting the names. Okay, so I'm gonna fry everything and let it actually mix well together, and then I'm gonna add in my bulku or my rice, and then just give it a good mix until everything is blended together. You can add in the coriander or dhania if you have. Today I'm not doing that because of my little girl. She doesn't like coriander. It is time for me to take some green tea and for my fitness journey, and normally I love this one. It is one of my favorites right now. It is so amazing. It smells so good, and it has a lot of ingredients inside there. So I'll take it while I'm waiting for the food to cool down so that we can start preparing. Now everything is ready, and it is time for me to sit and start showing you how I normally do. And the best thing about this process today is that I have this little machine that I got online, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It has taken me just a few minutes. Let me just not kid you, it has been like taken 45 minutes maximum, something that normally takes me almost 2 to 3 hours, just rolling and wrapping and stuff like that. But for this small tool, it is a very small useful tool that I highly recommend, especially for the lovers of any type of stuffed thing or food. Okay, and you can see how beautiful it comes out, so clearly, so neatly, and I loved using it. We were having good time with my kids. They want to also try it out. They want to help me wrap and stuff like that. So it was a beautiful way of actually cooking and also interacting with my kids, thankfully, like thanks to this small little tool. Now, after 45 minutes, like I said, I'm almost done. I'm just remaining with a few, and I'm loving it. Like, I'm having, like, it is so easy to use. It doesn't give you hard time, okay? So this is one of the best machine, or maybe eye tools, or maybe tools that I highly recommend you to have, okay? So once I'm done with everything, I'm almost done, like you see here. I'll just pick up everything little by little, like so, as we go on. Now I'm done with everything. You can see how beautiful they have come out, and they are ready to be cooked. And it's just amazing how it has been so easy for me to actually make this kind of food. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is actually to make sure that I'm arranging them on this small pot, and today I'm deciding to arrange them while standing. And voila, this is the final results, and it's time for me to actually clean the small tool, or maybe the machine, I don't know, but it's just amazing. And I'm going also to boil this one so that they can be ready for boiling. I'm using some tomato paste, some little salt, some olive oil, and some lemon inside hot water, and I'm gonna actually put like add into the dolma or into the rice stuffed. Okay, and then I'm gonna put on the fire and actually do what, and actually let it cook. And I'm doing like closing using another small pot so that they don't jump up and down. After that, after a few minutes, this is my
So
little
these are the
girl
shoes that I got for AJ, and she wanted me to put her on so that we can go outside to go to bring some bread because the food is ready. So that is it. Let me show you how beautiful it is so that you can see.
So this is my food. My food is super ready. Can you see it? Guys, I'm telling you, this is so yummy. I have some yogurt I want to eat together with it, and also I have some eggplant just in case. But this is the main dish and it's so yummy. Can you see? Let me cut it so that you can see. Can you see that? Beautiful. Can you see inside how it looks like? So yummy, so delicious. This is a must taste food.